Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can go to your boot menu. So without wasting your time, let's start this video. We need to restart our PC. After restart, you need to press delete or F2. You can see. So after pressing delete, you can go to your boot menu. And here you can see in the right side, it is our boot priority. You can see in here UEFI or SATA. Or if you want to go to your boot menu, then you need to press F8 or you can simply click on this. You can see our boot menu from here. I'm going to cancel this. If you want to go to your boot setting, then you need to click on here, advanced mode, F7. Here you can see all setting in here. So in this way, you can go to your boot setting and you can customize your boot. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new, how you can go to your boot setting and how you can use it. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe this channel for more videos.